What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here's my Huawei Honor Note 10 gaming review. Literally I love the Kirin 970 CPU. It's amazing. Now let me load the game. Okay, the game is loaded. Okay, I'm gonna show you this one and then I'm gonna show you the Bully also. Do not worry, I'm gonna load the Bully game also. This is not like full screen, but Bully run in full screen. Just to show you this game. Okay, let me show you it's running on the max. You see everything is on the max, as you can see. Wow, I mean this look beautiful, right? Let me take a screenshot. No, I don't require a screenshot. Go away. Yeah, this is better. This is better. They're just beating me. I wanna drive the car. Turning off radio is a little bit hard. Okay, yeah, now it's off. Now I can wander around. Yeah, now it seems good, isn't it? Wow, I mean, even now seems good. You need to be that judge. To me, it seems quite good. Wow, I love it. I literally love it. I mean, okay, I'm gonna fall down. No. Like this is good. So let me take one more screenshot. Like this. Okay, now I wanna show you the Bully game. Bully. Bully run on the full screen, which is an awesome thing. I love Bully. So now here for the Bully. So now here's the Bully, come on. You see Bully run in full screen, which is amazingly good, I mean. Yeah. I literally love Bully game a lot, I mean, I'm a huge fan of Bully. Okay, yeah, like this is okay. Let me get out. Let me show you the Bully. Setting. Clarity. High, okay. Return to game. It's smooth, to be honest with you. Okay, open. Yeah, it's run really very beautifully. I think I need to take a screenshot. Like this, isn't it? Not like this. Cancel, come on. Yeah, now better. I mean, it's not full screen. It's look amazing on my 7-inch Huawei Note 10. Technically 6.5 inch. Yeah, but I just like to call it 7-inch phone. It's amazing. You see? Yeah. Wow. I think I need to take a screenshot here like this. Wow. I mean, wow. So it was me, Geek. The gaming performance is amazing. Subscribe and bye.